Hello children, welcome to maths class. We are in exercise 9.1. The question we are going to learn here, that is a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So, one of the very important question for your board exam. So, learn it nicely. The concept, first we will work for diagram. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. So, there is a 30 meter tall building. Let us see, this is 30 meter building. AB is the height of building. A boy is standing far from the building. The height of boy, let us see, CD 1.5 meter. So, first line what said? We did 1.5 meter boy is standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building. Next, what we have? The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of building. So, boy is standing, this is the height, so eyes will be here more or less. So, we look at, the boy looks at the top of the building. Angle of elevation, that means building is taller than the boy. So, angle of elevation is formed. So, line of sight, this will be, angle will be formed here. How many degree angle? 30 degree. But once again you see, the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of building increases from 30 to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. So, at the first position he was here, he was looking at the building top, angle was 30 degree. Now, he walked towards the building, say here he is reaching. So, this is also the height of boy, the same boy is moving towards the building. So, let us see, this is EF. Any name, this point's name and all we can choose any. Now, boy is here. So, this angle, when he was looking at the first time, angle was 30 degree. Now, he is looking at the top of the building, the angle increases to 60 degree. So, CD and EF are the height of boy, AB is the height of building, that is 30. And this, from the figure, we can give the name of this point also AF. Remember, the height of building, this full height is 30 meter. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the distance he walked towards the building. So, he was here at the first position and now second position is one is here. So, how much distance he has walked? We have to find out. I hope you have understood the diagram properly. And remember, this showing the angle, as we move closer to the pole, the angle will increase. As we move away from the pole, angle will be decreasing. So, make your concept clear about this. Let us go for introduction portion. We start solution. Let AB be the height of building, the height of a building. This we have, the height of building we have, that is 30 meter. CD be the height of boy, but CD and EF both are the position of boy, we can say. So, CD we can use here equal to, or and also we can write CD and EF be the position of boy, be the position of a boy when the angle of elevation of the top of building is 30 and 60 degree. When the elevation, we will write full angle of elevations or we just go with elevations also. Elevation are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. I mean, at first position 30 degree, second position 60 degree angle of elevation of the top of. Okay. Now, we have to find out the distance he walked towards the building. So, the distance he walked towards the building, we have to find out df. But when we look at this diagram, here there is no triangle. Triangle are formed in here, AFE, AFC. So, we will work there, but we will see the concept of this rectangle. This will be a rectangle. It is building and boy, both are standing. So, these two angle will be 90 degrees. These two will be parallel also. We know that all right angle line, perpendicular line are parallel. Then these opposite sides will be parallel. So, whether we find CE or DF, that will be the same thing. So, the distance the boy walked is DF, but DF is equal to CE from the rectangular property. So, now we will straight go for working in this triangle and in another triangle. First triangle, we work in right triangle. What is the name? AFE. This is base, this is perpendicular. So, we will use ratio 10. 10 how many degree? 60 degree. Perpendicular AF and base EF. Now, here we need to understand again from the figure. AF we do not know how much it is. We are knowing the full height of the building. Still AF we do not know. How shall we know AF? CD, as you know now, this is a rectangle. Opposite side will be equal and parallel. This boy is 1.5 meter tall. So, EF is also boy, EF also will be 1.5 and FB also will be 1.5. So, AF will be how much? 30 minus 1.5. I hope it is clear to you. So, root 3, 1060 degree. AF, what we can do? We can write here clearly 30 minus 1.5. EF, we do not know. Let us go with EF. This 30 does not have decimal place. So, we will write decimal point 0. From where we got, once more I take you back, this full side is 30. From rectangle property 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. So, AF is 30 full height minus 1.5. We get what? Root 3 by 1 we just put here. 30 minus 1.5 we will get 28.5 by EF. We do cross multiplication, we get EF into root 3 is equal to 28.5 and EF will be equal to 28.5 by root 3. So, in first right triangle we have found EF is 28.5 by root 3. We can do rationalization work, but we will wait. We will see now in another triangle what we get. So, now we start the work in another right triangle. What is that right triangle? AFC. We mention the name here. Here also we will use the same ratio, perpendicular and base 10, but angle is 30 degree now. So, 10 30 degree. Perpendicular AF and base will be now what? Base will be CF. Then value of 10 30 degree we all are knowing. 10 30 degree is 1 by root 3. What about AF? Just now we have calculated AF is 28.5 and CF we do not know. So, let it be CF. CF will be equal to 28.5 root 3. Now, let us see, this is meter, this was also meter. This full side we have got 28.5 root 3. EF is 28.5 by root 3. So, how we will find this distance? Just like this 30 minus 1.5. So, here also 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 by 3. So, CF will be CE will be, and CE will be equal to what? CF minus CE. CF is 28.5 root 3 minus CE is 28.5 by root 3. So, this we can do rationalization. We could do this rationalization here also at this step, but we waited for last. What we get accordingly we calculate. Minus, we will get 28.5 root 3 by 3. By 3 it is possible to cut. 3 9s are 27, 1 came here, 3 5s are 15, 3 gone. 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. If we take common root 3, we will get here 28.5 minus 9.5. So, root 3 into 5 minus 5 0, 28, 18 minus 9 1, and finally we get 19.0 root 3 or 19 root 3 meter. So, the boy has walked from C to E 19 root 3 or D to F 19 root 3. Question was what? Find the distance he walked towards the building. Therefore, the distance we can write here, the distance he walked towards the building, is this 19 root 3 meter. You can write it your own also. Hope you have understood. Practice it nicely and learn it well. One of the, as I said in the beginning of the video, this is one of the important questions for your board exam also. See you then in next video.